Today I'm going to show you how I do my graphics for like SoundCloud, album art, and stuff like that. So first, this is an image for a broccoli cover for an instrumental. Just got a random image offline. Like you can go to Pexels, Pexel, and get free images that don't have rights, so you could use them. Import it into Photoshop, and then I cropped it to a square instead of a rectangle. So now I'm putting in text. I wanted this one to kind of be real catchy. Well, I kind of want everything to be that way, so I made the letters real big just to kind of catch the eye, because it's only one word. Sometimes simpler is better. I believe this font, I don't remember what it was. I'll find that out. I'll put the font in the description. Going in and changing the color. Just trying to find a good color here to go with the green background to blend in. I'm not going to be too technical in this video. I'm just kind of showing, you know, my way of thinking on this stuff. Trying to find like a good mixture of those two greens. So this is the stroke around the letters. I just made it a little bit darker than the green that was already there. So now I'm coming in with an inner shadow. So now I'm doing an outer glow, and I wanted this to kind of look crazy, like kind of trippy and stuff. So one of my buddies was in here talking to me when I was doing this. He said you should do some rainbow stuff, so that's what I'm doing here. So now I'm just putting my name in here. So I was just stretching it out here to try to make it fit. I'm constantly trying all this different stuff to make it look cool. You know, in the end it's just a little thumbnail picture, so it's all about how it catches your eye. So I ended up just copying the text and using the same format to put my name in, rather than adding it separately and having to do all the same stuff to it, just to save time. Just centering it up here. And that's pretty much it. I mean, just getting this word on here. You know, it's fairly simple. It really is just trial and error to get the thing right and to kind of get your eye on it. I mean, I'm not the best. I'm definitely not the best. And I can just throw these things together, you know, 2 or 3 a day sometimes. So, but I think they look okay, and they kind of catch the eye of whoever's scrolling through looking for something to listen to or a video to watch. I'm going to do a separate video on how I do my YouTube thumbnails. I have a template for that, and maybe I can get that available for download for Photoshop. Yeah, so this is what we ended up with, just saving the file here. So there it is, guys. If you liked it, you know, leave me a comment and tell me. Have a good one.